In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set buffers, lead time, and intervals in Zoho Bookings. These three settings shape how your availability is presented and how customers can book with you. We'll start with buffer time. Buffers create a protected gap before and after each appointment, so back-to-back meetings don't collide. A pre-buffer adds time before the appointment begins, and a post-buffer adds time after it ends. Together, they extend the total time blocked on your calendar. For example, if your service is 30 minutes and you add a 15-minute pre-buffer and a 15-minute post-buffer, the system will block a full hour for that booking. To set this up, open event types or services, depending on your interface, and edit the specific service you want to control. Under Schedule Rules, locate pre-buffer and post-buffer, and choose the durations that fit your workflow. Customers won't see these buffers on the booking page, but you can decide whether to include them in events that sync to external calendars, which is helpful if you travel or need wrap-up time reflected outside Zoho. Next is lead time, sometimes called booking notice. This determines how soon and how far in advance someone can schedule with you. Minimum booking notice prevents last-minute bookings by enforcing a buffer of time before the next available slot. If you set it to 2 hours, no one can grab a slot less than 2 hours from now. Maximum booking notice limits how far into the future a booking can be made, such as 30 days out. To configure this, go to Services and select the service you want. Open Service Preferences or Schedule Rules. If you're using Bookings 2.0, then scroll to Booking Notice. There, you can set both the minimum and maximum booking notice, using minutes, hours, or days. The minimum acts as your lead time before an appointment, while the maximum keeps your calendar from filling too far ahead. Finally, let's fine-tune the scheduling interval, which controls the granularity of your time slots. With 15-minute intervals, customers see options like 9:00, 9:15, and 9:30. With 30-minute intervals, they'll see 9:00, 9:30, and 10:00. Edit your chosen event type or service, open the Scheduling Rules tab, and find Scheduling Interval. Choose between fixed slots, which present a static grid of times, or adjusted slots, where start times adapt around existing bookings and buffers. Then pick the interval you want in multiples of 5 minutes. With these settings aligned, your booking page will reflect your real availability while giving you the control and breathing room you need.